So over here you can see that I got a blank Google slide, and if I were to go over here and type in something like 1 dot and space, you see what happens. It actually pushes this forward right here, that is a bit onto the left, and I can type in, let's say, 0.1 right here and press enter, and number 2 appears right here. So what it has done is it has detected that I am trying to write a list, and therefore it has converted the regular text into a list. So this may come in handy in many of the cases, but in other times you may not want this feature at all. Even if I were to go over here and type in something like dash, press space, you can see that it turns into a list. As you can see that this has been turned on. So I can go ahead and you can see that the dashes, they come forward. So let me just turn this off now, because let's say for some reason I do not want this. So I'm going to go to tools for that one, and then go to preferences right here. Once I go there, here you can see that there's an option automatically detect lists right here. So if I were to turn this off and press OK, now what happens is that if I were to press 1 dot and space, nothing happens. So I can just type in as I usually would, press enter, and you can see that there's no new number. So I have to do that manually or add in the number that I wish, as you can see right there. So you want the feature again, simply go back there and go to preferences, turn that on, and then once you press 1 dot right here, just like this, you can see that it automatically turns into a list again. So that is how you can use the automatically detect list feature inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.